Hi, blessings. Creative Depot. We're going to talk about AI today and the biggest misconception. Stay tuned. Creative Depot, welcome back. It's 2026, huh? We made it. Praise the Most High. Look, let's talk about AI and the misconceptions. Let me say the biggest misconceptions that most people have about AI. And I truly believe that it's because y'all are misinformed. Don't get me wrong. Now, it does have its pros and cons. A lot of folks use it to fabricate their content, you feel me? A lot of folks use it to write songs for them. Come on. A lot of folks use it to write scripts without doing the research and studying themselves, you feel me? So it's a lot of that does go on with AI. I'm not a fan of that. It's a lot of cons to it. Sometimes I, ask it to give me certain information or do something for me, like a VA or something, and it fails me at a high rate, you feel me? But there's a reason behind all of this. So for me personally, let me let you in on a little secret. AI was never meant to replace creators or creatives, right? But it was only used to enhance what we already do. It's no need for us to be cocky or prideful, because let me let you in on something real quick. Come here. All the big corporations, they are using AI. I'm talking KFC. We got Taco Bell. Who else? Pizza Hut. My favorite, right, which is Panda Express. You know what I'm saying? Give me the teriyaki and the super greens. Come on, somebody. But yeah, so these corporations are using it already, but it's not to replace the staff. But just think about it. They can take the person that usually is, collecting the data to place the orders, instead of using them at the window or, collecting those orders, they can move them on to doing something else that's more productive, which is cooking the food, right? Or which is tending to the cash register at the front end of the restaurant. You know what I'm saying? And so it was never meant to replace us, but it was only used to enhance what we already do. Now, let me keep it a buck. Some of y'all, with y'all customer service, y'all not making it hard, right, to be replaced if we keeping it 100. And I'm just being honest, man. I would rather deal with an AI bot through the drive-through than a human with a funky attitude. Can I get an amen? So the cheat code I would say for us to actually use this specific tool, I'm gonna call it a tool, is you have to learn how to prompt properly. Okay? What do you mean? I'm glad you asked. So, what is prompting? So prompting it's basically instructions that we give AI to elicit certain information, right? To give us certain output with the input that we give them. Let me give you an example. Let me put you on game real quick. Look. It's 2026. You're diving deep into fitness, or you've been deep into fitness, but it's been super hard because you have kids, you have a spouse, you have a full-time job, you have all this, right? So what you'll do when it comes to prompting, you'll take time, you're gonna set a prompt to describe what this AI task is at this moment, okay? So like this, before you type anything, you're going to tell it, give it identity. You are one of the top sought out fitness trainers for Crunch Fitness, Planet Fitness, 24-hour fitness, whatever's big in your area. Put that in there, okay? You are big on health and meal prepping. You're a nutritionist. You graduated, you could say top medical college that you can think of, right? You're married as well, so you understand the balance between family, work, and fitness. Okay? You help all your clients prep simple meals on their health journeys. Okay, put a period right there. Now, what you have done is identified what AI has, or what you need from AI, right? At this point. So this tool, its job at this point is to act as a fitness trainer who's big on nutrition, who's a married person as well and understands the balance of that, and who's going to help you not only work out, right, but actually prep your meals as well, and give you specific times on how to implement that in your life. All right. Next, before you press enter anything, next, this is what you're going to tell it. What you need. All right. From this task or this prompt, what you need from this prompt that you're giving them to do, right, or this task you're giving them to do, let them know where you stand in this. What do you need from it, or them, or her, or whatever you want to call it? You feel me? So you'll say, I work this amount of hours. I have this amount of kids. I usually work out at this time of the day. Last year I experienced burnout. You feel me? Put all that in there. I only want to work out 1 hour a day, 4 to 5 times a week. Let it know I'm working on this specific part of my body, my glutes, my chest, my core, right? Whatever your specific goal is for this year, you're going to tell it at this moment what it needs to do. If this is making sense, leave a comment. Smash that like button and go ahead and hit that subscribe. It's more content on the way. Back to the task at hand. Listen, I know we all have our reasons to not like AI. I know we have our reasons not to AI, but AI wasn't designed to take over your life, but designed to help you in your daily tasks. You feel me? And so this is some simple things. This is something simple that you can use AI for, whether it's ChatGPT or Gemini. And I'm speaking of those two because those are the ones that I love the most. And we'll get into that a little bit later. It's something I use in business. It's something I use in my personal life. It's something I use budgeting with finances. It's something I use to help keep consistent content like this. You feel me? I will have it map me out a 30-day, plan on recording content for you guys. You see what I'm saying? And so instead of paying, your VA $5-10 an hour, listen to me. Get with the program. And the dope thing I like, I usually laugh about this, but Gemini, if I ask them something regarding finances, the disclaimer that they hit you with is, hey, bro, listen, I'm not a professional. So I need you to always put that on the forefront. This is not a professional. This is just an assistant. This is just a researcher. This is just someone that's doing the best it can with the information that you give it. Creative Depot, it's 2026. They in trouble. It's time to level up. But I need y'all to do me a favor. Go out and create something. AI was not sent here to take over, but it was sent here to enhance what we're already doing, man. Y'all stay tuned. Disciple Nugget alert. And it is 2 Timothy, and that's 2:15. And it reads, study and do your best. Present yourself to God approved.
A workman tested by trial has no reason to be ashamed, accurately handling and skillfully teaching the word of truth. Accurately handling and skillfully teaching the word of truth. Back to the video.
More AI videos are dropping soon. We'll talk more. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all be blessed. This is the Creative Department, your creative tool shed. Peace.